Hello, welcome to Luke Trades Trading channel, where I am trying to figure out whether I can turn trading into my full-time income. I'm trading from Australia and I'm trading US market, which means it's late nights for me, and usually I start trading pre-market early, starting around 4 and then sitting till around 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, sometimes till 9. I rarely trade after that. Lately I'm also testing after market hours like today, and I'm showing you my recaps and showing you my trades, entries and exits. So today is going to be a quick one. Market is in a really cold condition and it's brutal out there, really. It's very difficult to find a decent entry, and I found one today. Which I was happy with, but unfortunately I had some technical issues with Webull, and I will show you. And the trade, well, didn't work out too well. So the first trade that I did was on a stock called Ruby. This is the recap. I'll just show you quickly. Rewind to the entry. My entry was around 309. I saw this kind of curl and I thought, oh, it might push through. Maybe if it pushes through 270 and then squeezes up, that would be amazing. My entry was around 309, as you can see. Let me back up till the entry. So it was around here. Okay, so I'm waiting for my confirmation and the prices keeps going up. Lots of buying on a tape. Here I'm holding my shift, my hotkey, and waiting for a confirmation price. There you go. I'll back up a little bit. There you go. So ISO 380. Next thing I see is 309, sorry, 38, 309, 10 quick buyers at 310, and I decided to enter. And now, there you go. And from the moment, let me just back up. Here you go. I pressed my hotkey. My order is here working and waiting to be filled. And there you go. Now, if you count that time from the moment when I enter, it's around 2 seconds or more, so it's very slow. But I still managed to get 309. The price dipped a little bit. And here I started to wait for a resolution. And the problem was that I didn't notice there yet was that something was wrong with Webull today. It was very slow, very delayed, and yesterday as well. Actually, the charts were much more slower and were loading in very slow, but I didn't pay attention yesterday to that. But today, when I was in a trade, I noticed that something's going wrong. Anyway, I'm watching the trade so far, unaware of the fact that it's happening, and the price is starting to pull up. So I just want a small profit, so I'm waiting for it to hit around 10 cents just to exit with partial profit. And here soon after, where is it? I'm speeding it up just because it was a bit of a wait. There you go. It pushes up to, there you go. It pushes up to 220 on a bid, and I'm thinking, all right, let's just get some off the table. And I decided to go partially. So I press my partial exit hotkey, and look what happens. Order is here, and instantly it dipped to 310, 314, and my order has been filled right at 313. So I thought to myself, ugh, that's not exactly what I wanted. But if you can see, let me just back it up. If you can see, everything is, I don't know if you can notice, but it is very laggy. Now I'll play real time. You see how this was lagging? Something's not right, because I could notice that not only my hotkey was way slower to fill, but also these animations are going slow. I'm using a M3 Max MacBook Pro, so it's a beast of a computer. I don't have problems, and on top of that I have all my charts, which are working very fast in real time, and I have noticed that there's a delay, different price on a tape than on my charts above. So Webull turns out to be showing me delay prices. I got scared about that and decided, no, I can't stay in that trade, because I don't have a real-time data in this application. So soon after I just exited, and it was filled at 306, so 3 cents below, with the rest of my shares, overall giving me $3 and plus a couple cents of loss. And also I have noticed this thing here, so I started to think, no, not only I have delay information, but also I have this candle that's suggesting that we might have a reversal. So I exited without any profit, with the tiny loss, and I started investigating what's going on, and the prices here were completely different than on my TradingView charts. And now I show you here the situation looks like with the timer. So I turn on the clock so you can see the seconds. This is 1 minute candle, so exactly at 0001, sorry, 3701, there should be another candle start forming. And look at the delay here. I am moving my mouse, which is already laggy for me. I can see it. You probably cannot tell, but I can feel it when I'm moving my mouse around. And look, it's 37:23:37:00. So that's when the new candle should start showing. And I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3. There's still nothing while the tape is buzzing. And if you can see, this is green. And suddenly at 3:27:06, suddenly we change that to red and we get another candle. So we have around 6 seconds delay at this stage. And, you know, prices are completely different. I can see around 380 on my charts. And I'm like, well, I kind of feel a little bit excited because I can see in the future, but then I don't know what sort of fill will I get with Webull with such a delays. And I'll show you again that in real time. Let's say go here, 52. Okay, so 56, 7, 8, 9, and now new candle should come, but it's not coming, not showing, and I'm still waiting, and suddenly, you know, 3706. So this is something very, very weird. And you know, my computer was fine, my internet was fine, the charts above were showing everything in real time. It's just the Webull app was really weirdly lagging, and it was happening yesterday, but I didn't pay much attention to it. It didn't happen during the trade. So today it scared me, and after that I was, you know, not only cold market but also malfunctioning of Webull. I thought, you know, I should just step away. Unfortunately, I missed another trade on that stock, which was really nice, but you know, I wasn't confident enough to take trades with that situation, you know. Today, after I guess I was a little bit bored or frustrated or whatever, and I decided to try aftermarket hours. So, you know, that was just a test. It didn't go too well, to be honest. It was kind of stupid because the volume is low, it's a cold market, and it's late after hours. So I'm not very proud of it, but I was still wanting to test it, maybe out of boredom, I don't know. So I tested 2 moves here, both of them are losers, so around, I don't know, 20 cents here and 8 cents here, 4 plus 3, 7 cents here. So there's supposed to be a small, but this one had a bit of a slippage, small risks trades. Anyway, you know, it's brutal out there and it's very difficult to make money in that market. I really should just sit it down and wait till I see some strength, because everything was reversing today. Whatever came up was going down, and this is after hours. I kind of came too late to the table. If I show up around here, there would be some opportunities, but I started, what was it, 620 around, so I started trading around here. So you can see it's a back move, and you know, I tried to get that hope for that curl, but it reversed on me. And then again here it reversed. That was just a test, but I kind of knew that this is low volume situation. I probably shouldn't enter it. On top of my frustration with the market, there's this situation with the Webull that just annoyed me, and I just wanted to make up for it, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Tomorrow is Friday, last day of the week. So far, the last 2 weeks not looking good for me, but you know, I'll still be there. I'll still be here. I'll still be trading. I'll still be learning. You know, that's why I'm trading with small account. If I blew it, then it's fine. It's just learning experience. I guess the main thing I need to work on is my patience and, you know, not getting triggered by stupid mistakes like that first trade that happened today. It's very difficult because technically I didn't do anything wrong. I timed it well. It went up. It went even higher later on, but, you know, I just didn't feel like I can trust this app. So Will I go back to Dust Trader? Probably not, because I'm still a beginner, and paying $130 for using the platform is too much. Webull is free, but the longer I use it, the more I see how many bugs and problems there are with it, and it's just not finished. It feels like it's not finished. The one example is it doesn't show you P&L, it just show you total account value that you have. And open P&L, like, who needs that here? Like, it's showing here. Also, you don't see position. So there's a lot of little things that I really don't like about this app, and the longer I use it, the more I am annoyed with it. Maybe if the market shows a little bit more of a strength and transition towards hot market, then maybe I'll jump into Dust Trader for that period of time. But for now, it's fine. I don't want to complain too much, because after all, this is a free platform, but and commissions are pretty low. But nevertheless, there are really weird bugs and making me frustrated with it. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.